Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug in or confirm battery above 20% so updates run reliably. You enable developer options only if you plan to tweak animations, otherwise skip. Once done, backup photos and contacts to cloud or one app backup so nothing is lost during tweaks. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Funtouch OS features, and toggle Smart Services on. This ensures adaptive performance and app optimization kick in immediately. Now you shape the experience. Change animation scale to 0. 5 for a noticeably snappier interface. This reduces perceived lag. Make sure to manage apps, set auto start for trusted apps, limit background activity for power hogs, and apply battery optimization where needed. These steps balance speed and battery life. Then customize the home screen. Adjust icon size and layout, and choose gesture navigation versus buttons. These choices affect how fast. Finish by rebooting to apply changes and check system updates for stability patches. Updates often fix subtle issues. Enable Smart Cleanup and the Storage Manager so caches and temp files are pruned automatically, keeping performance steady. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache first, then reinstall it. If problems persist, reset app preferences or, as a last resort, reset settings, not a full wipe. This troubleshooting flow saves time and prevents data loss, so you can return to a smooth Funtouch OS.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.